Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Alifta Nurzaiyudi Rodlika. So today I want to make a tutorial how to use a manual clutch motorcycle. So the first thing you need is of course the motorcycle with manual clutch and then helmet for safety. The safety is number one. And take note that manual clutch motorcycle have different order of gears compared to automatic clutch motorcycle. For the order of manual clutch motorcycle is the first gear and the neutral, second gear, third gear, and more. And for the automatic clutch motorcycle, the order is neutral, first gear, second gear, third gear, and more. So make sure your bike is on neutral, and how to make the first gear is push down the gear shift to the bottom, and for the second gear we just push up, and for the third and fourth gear the same as the second gear, up. The first thing you need to do is insert the key to the ignition, and after that twist the key to the on. Make sure your motorcycle is on neutral. And after that, turn on the motorcycle by pressing the switch on the right grip. And after that, pull the clutch lever on the left fully, like this, and push down the gear switch on your left foot to the bottom, because the first gear is in bottom. And after that, release the clutch slowly and release the throttle slowly too. Because if you are releasing it hardly, it will like this. And after that, you release it slowly and make your motorcycle move slowly, like this, and throttle up like this.